Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty. So Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are getting my latest video. So girls, it is over today. I bring some special beautiful crochet scarf free ideas. Beautiful pattern for modern girls, jobful girls, office girls, working women. So please you must watch my video till then. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful ideas, beautiful pattern. Free pattern, different designing. Some are light color uses, some are dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors. Rainbow colors. Beautiful pattern, different designing. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet scarf free ideas. Free pattern, different designing, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Follow my channel. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.